Use personal protective equipment and practice safety. Step 1. Verify the rough opening. Begin by cleaning the openings. Check the openings for plumbing and leveling. Confirm the rough opening is 3/4 larger than the window in width and height. Step 2. Prepare the opening. Wrap the exterior wall with water-resistant barriers. Make the cuts in the building wrap. First, cut across the top of the opening. Second, cut along the sill, and third, cut 6 offset from the sides. Make to 5 inches diagonal cuts, and fold the top lap up. Fold the sides wrap into the openings, and secure with staples. Apply blue skin with 6 inches depth on the sill. The blue skin should be 6 inches extended up at each side, and by 1 inch overlapped onto the wrapping surface. Step 3. Set the window. Place shims on the sill, 2 inches from each side, as well as any mullions. Set the window on the shims into the openings. Make sure the nail fin makes contact with the wall on all sides. Drive to fasteners near each end of the top nail fin. Level the frame sill. Shim both the jambs about 4 inches from the bottom to limit the frame sill moving in the opening. Shim about 4 inches from the top to square the unit. Take diagonal measurements to confirm the frame is square. Drive the remaining fasteners in the nail fin. Step 4. Integrate the windows with the wrap. Fold down the top flap of building wraps. Apply flashing tapes over the side nailing fins onto the building wraps. Apply another flashing tape over the top nailing fin onto the wrap. Each diagonal cut should be applied with flashing tapes as well. Extend the tape 1 inch passing the cut onto the wrap. There is no need to apply the flashing tape for the bottom nail fin. Step 5. Apply the interior sealant. Use low-pressure insulating foam to create continuous sealing between the window frame and openings. Apply continuous caulking around the interior window frame, especially the blue skin areas, to ensure continuity of weather tightness. For more information, please visit our website.